How to upload high quality pictures on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to upload high quality pictures on Facebook. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Facebook app on your device. Make sure to sign in on your account and then select the three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. On this menu cell page, select the Settings and Privacy at bottom of the screen. Choose Settings option and from here you have to scroll down. Under Preferences, you have to locate Media option and tap on it. On this section, make sure that your video quality has been set to Optimize so that this will adjust videos to network conditions. Not only that, this will help us to adjust the quality pictures according to our network condition. Just remember that you have to make sure that your internet connection is stable. If your internet is not working properly, you need to switch to the mobile data and then easily upload high quality pictures on Facebook. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.